Welcome back to the channel. Now, people who visit East Lothian, speeding up through the A1 there behind us, can't but help notice two landmarks. The one here, Trapane Law, that you've seen a video of already, and can't miss that. The other one is right there, North Berwick Law. So we'll go there next. So with its views down the Firth of Forth out to North Sea, you can see why that became a vital lookout point. I would also have a signal fire on it, and during the Napoleonic Wars there was a lookout built. You'll see that in the video I've done. You'll see the whale bones. They were actually originally put up in Victorian times and recently replaced the fiberglass ones. And then First and Second World War there was a lookout as well used. And so you can watch the film. I made it this morning and I was out in the car and it was early on, so it was quiet. It'll be packed now being midday, but it wasn't at 8 o'clock this morning. Okay, enjoy the film I made this morning. so I hope you enjoyed that film. Now, the large trees that you see on the sides, they were actually planted to commemorate soldiers who fell from North Berwick in the Napoleonic War. There you go. So other famous landmarks are of course Tantallon Castle and the Bastrop. Can't miss that. They're for other films anyway. Let's get a photo. Oh. The old Ducat there. Okay, that's a wrap then. North Berwick Law. Okay, thanks for watching again. See you in the next one. Bye for now.